Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub and a lid. Next, we need a sticker. Today, we are doing the letter O. This is an uppercase O and a lowercase o. Next, let's put the letter O on the tub. This is an uppercase O and a lowercase o. Now, let's put the sticker on the bottom of the lid. And again, it has an uppercase O and a lowercase o. Now, let's find the things that go in the tub. First, we find an uppercase O. Next, we find the lowercase o. All right, let's see what else we can put it in the tub. How about an olive? There's an olive. Next is an octopus. Isn't he cute? Next is an ostrich. Next is an otter. Next is a shape called an oval. And next is clothes called overalls. They go over your clothes to keep your clothes clean when you're working out in the field or on a farm. Let us review and put things in the bucket. First, let's put the uppercase O in the bucket. Next is the lowercase o. Next is an olive. Next is an octopus. Next is an ostrich. Next is an otter. Next is the shape called an oval. And last is overalls. We can put the lid on this one. It's all done. This was everything with the letter O. Next is the letter P. See you next time.